Hi students, last class we already discussed about some of the important points about impact of British rule. So in that we have discussed about how the British East India Company they implemented different types of reformation in the field of administrative justice, and we have discussed about police system and military system. So in these matters we have discussed already in last videos. So in this class we are discussing after that they implement another important policy, that is land tax policy. So in this class we want to discuss about why the British government implemented by land tax policy and who is get more facility in that land tax policy and which purpose were they implemented and effect of land tax policy. So these are the matters we want to discuss in this video. So first of all we want to know why the British government implemented by land tax policy. So because of British East India Company they want to pay 4 lakhs pound rupees to British government to control India. If British East India Company they want to do trade or administrative system in India, they want to pay 4 lakhs pound, that much of rupees they want to pay to British government. So if they want to pay that much of money, they need money. So in that purpose they are implemented, because of they want to collect the money. So in that purpose only they are implemented by British land tax policy. So in that we want to know there are 3 types of land tax policies that are implemented. One is Jamindar system, next one here they given Malwari system and Raitwari system. So this like we can see there are 3 types of systems, land tax policy system implemented by British East India Company. So now we want to know one by one, each one by one. So what is meant by Jamindar system and Raitwari system and Malwari system, and which are the places in there established by this like of tax policy to collect this much of money, 4 lakhs pound, that much of rupees of money. So this only now we want to know. So in that first one here they given, that is permanent Jamindar system. So in this policy, the permanent Jamindar system land tax policy implemented by Lord Cornwallis in the year of here they given 1793. In 1793, Cornwallis implemented by permanent Jamindar system. And which are the places in beginning implemented? Here they say Bengal and Bihar region. So in that both region also implemented. And another point, here Jamindars they want to collect a land tax per annum, means per year they want to collect, and they want to submit that one tax to British East India Company. Means they given more power here. Who is for they given more power? Means for Jamindars. So this only they give a name as a permanent Jamindar system. And another point here, who is become ownership for land? So Jamindars only. Jamindar only your owner for that particular land. They want to collect the tax with farmers and they want to give to British East India Company. And so when this like of situation happened, here who got so much of opportunity, profit here? One side is Jamindar, second one is British East India Company. Because of how the Jamindars they got the profit, more profit here means because of they can implement how much of possible, that much of tax they can collect in by farmers. Jamindars, how much of possible, that much of money or tax they can collect by farmers, because of there is no government, they are not given any they not implemented any rules and regulations in favor of farmers. So that's why Jamindars, what they fix the money, that much of money farmers they want to should pay to Jamindars. So these like Jamindars here more dominated by farmers. So another point here, British East India Company also they got more profit because of without work. Because of this land is not for a British East India Company. This is not owner of British East India Company. This is our land. So they are not doing any work, but they are getting simply money. Because of they want to pay no money for British government, so easily they are getting the money. They can pay for, but they came main intention to trade, but they collecting their land tax. So that's why here Jamindars and British East India Company both also they got profit. And sometimes if flood or any natural calamities happen in that particular regions, if Jamindars could not pay the particular land tax, on the time British East India Company they cancelling the post of Jamindar, the particular person. So these like of situations we can see in the place of Jamindars. So that's why Jamindars, they collecting more tax or more exploiting to farmers, because of if next they, we don't know when this like of flood we are coming or natural calamities happen in that particular place, we don't know. So that's why Jamindars, what they did, they collecting more and more land tax. So when this like of situation going on, farmers, the Jamindars, they discriminated to farmers and they faced life of insecurity because of they don't know farmers when or what incident or what situations in present at present on that time going on, they don't know. Because of if let's anything happen means they could not pay the tax. So if they could not pay the tax, they want to let the land. So that's why farmers also, they faced insecurity of life. So these type of problems we can see in the system of Jamindar. So after that here they saying, and another one here in this subsystem means in Jamindar system, you can see not only in Bihar or here they given, we can see next other places in also British East India Company extended this only permanent Jamindar system. Here is saying Bihar, Odisha, Andhra and Varanasi regions. So in this still these regions, the British East India Company established by Jamindar system, because of without any investment they are getting profit by British East India Company. So that's why they implemented by in different types of places. So in that British Jamindar system for only one of the important person is given statement for this one Jamindar system, the policy or the situation of Jamindar system for only they given. Charles Metcalfe is one of the important person. He given statement about Jamindar system. What he given statement here? They saying the Indian farmers were born in debt, means in loan. Second one they saying lived in debt and died in debt due to land tax policy. Because of farmers, Jamindars and British East India Company, they only get a more profit, not a farmers, because what they produce, that in they want to give off or 90% of productions they want to give to Jamindars or British East India Company. So how they can live, how they can get profit. So that's why Charles Metcalfe is given statement, Indian farmers, they are born in debt and living also they are in debt, and after death also they are debt. So this is a situation of British East India land tax policy. This like statement given by Charles Metcalfe. So this is the main information about Jamindar system. So after the Jamindar system, we want to know another important policy also they are implemented in different region in India, that is Mahalwari system. So now we want to know what is meant by Mahalwari system, what was the objectives, and which are the places in extended by British East India Company this policy, Mahalwari policy. So that only now we want to know. So when we are discussing about the Mahalwari system, already British East India Company, the agreement done with Jamindars are in the level of Mahals. So Mahal means taluks, means each land, means some of the part of land they did different types of types, or they divided, and that particular place where they given name as a Mahal. Mahal means taluk. So after that they fixed some of the tax for that particular Mahals, and who are they maintain or who are they appointed as the leader or officer, they want to collect that particular tax and they want to pay to British East India Company. So these like of systems we can see in the place of Mahalwari system. And here they are saying here Mahalwari system, who is implemented, that means here they are saying there are two important papers. First one here they given R.M. Bird, second one is James Thompson. Jamindar system, Cornwallis. Here they are saying Mahalwari system or Mahalwari system implemented by R.M. Bird and James Thompson. So these both members they implemented by Mahalwari system. And next one point we want to know, which are the places they extended by this one system, Mahalwari system. Here they say in the place of Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Delhi. So in these places in the British East India Company established by or implemented by one of the new tax policy, that is Mahalwari system. And when we are discussing about the Mahalwari system, the collection of land tax methods practice or the land tax, that one different region to region. They not collected same land tax in particular place. For example, in Madhya Pradesh is one like of land tax policy in Mahalwari system in based on Mahalwari system. Same in Delhi. When you are comparing Madhya Pradesh and Delhi, there is no same land tax policy or collection of money. We can see some of the difference. So how they collected the land tax here in Malwari system? So what the farmers they produced. So when you are comparing the production, they want to pay in that in more money they want to pay as a land tax. For example, if any one person they did no production as a 1000 rupees, they want to pay tax as a 1500 or more. So these like the British East India Company collected in the policy, that policy Malwari, based on the Malwari policy, the British government collected as a tax. So reason we are knowing why they collected this like of money, we are knowing. So on that base they implemented this like of policy. And we can see in this Malwari, we can see some of the small jamindars and jamindars. And therefore also they given power to collect a land tax. And here also who is suffer more? Once again farmers only. Because of they are not getting that much of profit and production, and already we are discussed in Malwari system in how much they are doing the production, but they want to give more money as a tax. When you are comparing profit, that much not, they want to give more money as a tax. So that's why here once again suffered by farmers. And next one point here they are saying, and another one here next one point they are saying, and marginal farmers, and here they are saying agricultural laborers, they suffer so much of problems in this Malwari system because of they are not getting that much of profit. Here they given first one is marginal farmers. Marginal farmers means who have in that particular time in low level of land, means low holding lands. They not have that much of land. So they, and who are they working in agriculture field, so they only suffer in the tax policy of Malwari. Because of they want to pay the money, that also more as a tax. So that's why they suffer more. So this is a major points about Malwari system. So after the Malwari system, next one another one point is there. Here they give next one system, that is Raitwari system. So here now we want to know once again who is implemented and which are the place and what was the methods we can see in Raitwari system. So in this Raitwari system, first time implemented by Alexander Reed in the year of 1792 in the place of Baramangal. So first time this policy Raitwari system implemented by Alexander Reed in the year of 1792 in the place of Baramangal. So after that same Raitwari system the British East India Company implemented in the region of South India, especially in the region of Madras and Mysuru. So in the year of 1801. So who is implemented this one? Here they are saying Thomas Munro implemented by Raitwari system in the region of Mysore and Madras region. So when we are discussing about the Raitwari system, when you are comparing to Malwari and Jamindar system, this one is very different. Because of we can see in that Raitwari system, in Malwari system and Jamindar system, there are middlemen. They are collecting tax with farmers and they are submitting to British East India Company. But here that like of policy we cannot see. Here farmers they are directly they want to pay the tax to British East India Company. There is no middleman. So this leg of tax policy we can see in Raitwari system, and how much of rupees they want to pay means what they produced they done by farmers, in that in 50% of productions they want to pay as a tax for British East India Company. Farmers what they produce the productions, crops or production, so in that in 50% of productions they want to pay as a tax for British East India Company. So this like of policy we can see in Raitwari system. So after that next one point here they say, so how much here they done agreement with farmers by British East India Company? Here they saying 30 years. So after 30 years they want to once again renewal the agreement. And once again they want to pay the tax. So this like of policy the British East India Company implemented in the region of Madras and Mysore. And here once again we want to know who got once again suffered in this policy, means once again farmers. Because of you don't know, farmers they cannot get same production at one by next year. They are not getting time to time because of we can see sometimes floods, sometimes drought or low level of fertility. So that's why we cannot get that much of productions. But what they fixed that much of productions, that much of money or productions, crops they want to give as a tax. So sometimes they could not able to pay that much of tax by farmers. So that's on the time they want to take loan for money lenders. Who are they on the time? Our money lenders are there. They want to take as a loan and they want to give tax for British East India Company. But once again, they not have that much of conditions to give once again repay that one loan. So after that, farmers, what was the problems they faced? They want to sell the land because of they could not repay once again the particular loans. So these like of problems we can see in the place of Raitwari system. So once again we want to know in this tax policy, once again who got more facility here? Once again farmer, British East India Company. Because of already British East India Company, they did agreement with farmers till 30 years. They already fixed 50% of production crops. So they already observed in first year how much of production came. That much only next year also they want to pay as a 50% of production as a tax. So sometimes this they could not getting the production, that much of productions. So they want to take as a loan with money lenders. So once again suffered by farmers in the policy of Raitwari system. So these like the British East India Company, they implemented by different types of land tax policy and to collect a 4 lakhs pound rupees to pay for British government. Because of they want to do trade in India by British East India Company, they want to pay this much of money. So that's why the government, the British East India Company, they implemented by, there are 3 types of land tax policy. One is we already discussed, Jamindar system implemented by Cornwallis. Second one we have discussed about Malwari system. This one implemented by R.M. Burritt and James Thompson. And another one we have discussed, that is Raitwari system. Raitwari system implemented by Alexander Reed in beginning in Baramahal. After that in Karnataka, especially in South India, Mysore and Madras region implemented by Thomas Munro. So these are the important points about British land tax policy. So after that we want to know, already we have discussed in the land tax policy, who has suffered more? Farmers. So now we want to know what was the effects of British land tax policy. We got some of the users in that policy, or we lost some of the profit, or any incident or anything happened in that land tax policy, that only we want to know. So here is saying first one, the impact of British land tax policy. So first one here they are saying a new class emerged in Indian society, that is Jamindars. Till that much time we don't know. We don't know this like of system or this like of class in India. In first time we understood one of the new class emerged in Indian society, that is Jamindar system. So this one Jamindar system first time introduced by British East India Company. So this is one of the important effect. So after that here they say these Jamindars only afterwards they exploited to farmers. And second one here they say the farmers who are subjected to the exploitation of the Jamindars become landless slowly. And second one, we all are knowing what the British government implemented by British land tax policy. This is not favor of farmers, this is favor of East India Company. So Jamindars, they started to exploit the farmers. So when they collected more and more land tax, the farmers they become as a landless, because of they could not pay that much of money, they not have that much of ability. So that's why they lost their lands. So this is second point, second effect. And third one here they saying land become a commodity, loans could be raised by mortgaging of lands. And second one here they saying, third one here they saying, so when they implemented by this like of policy, land they become as they like a things. So they marketing, they selling by different types of things, vegetables or some other things, same that like land also become. People they started to sell because of they could not pay that much of money. So if they are holding the land, they want to pay must and should. If they did the production or they not did the production, that is not a consideration. If they have the land, they want to pay the tax. So that's why people what they did, they started to sell the land. And sometimes free without money they right hand with they did the agreement with their, based on the agreement they started to sell to others. So this like of situation happened effects of land tax policy. One is land become as a things commodity in marketing now, like we are getting the things, so that like they started to sell. Second one, some of the people without money, without means free, they given that one particular land to another person. So these like of situations we can see in land tax policy. So after that, another point here they saying many zamindars also had mortgaged their lands in order to pay in the land tax. So not only the farmers, sometimes some of the zamindars also they face the problems because of already government, British East India Company, they fixed the tax. So that much of tax zamindars they did not pay, they also they want to lose the land. So same that like only here zamindars also they lose the land, and when they started to lose, so afterwards what they did, they also the rate and given to any other person for that particular land. So these like of effects also happened in zamindar system. So sorry, in British land tax policy. And fifth one here they saying the agriculture sector become commercialized and to grow raw materials needed by industries back in England. And sometimes it is British East India Company also they also did some of the blackmail. So if you could not pay the land tax, so I will say, so if that product or that crops if you produced, we are not getting that much of tax. So that's why agricultural land converted as a commercial land. Means people they started to grow commercial crops because of to give a raw materials for industries for to England. We all are knowing one of the common industry in England, that is cotton industry on that time. So on that industry for they need raw materials. So that's why here British East India Company they saying to farmers, so if you could not pay that much of land tax, you want to produce what I am saying that only crops you want to should grow. So on that based agriculture crops or agriculture land converted as a commercial land. So this is also one of the important effect. And last one here they saying the money lenders become strong. And who are that time they given loans, money lenders, we are saying that only saukars. Now presently we are saying as a saukars or money lenders. We have discussed this one in bank transaction also. So in this money lenders they become very strong because of they get more and more money, and with money they are getting with interest also. So with the interest they got and they become more strong. So these are the important points about British land tax policy. So next class we can discuss about next another important point. Okay, thank you.